It's the first full moon. She does not even know I live.
A man has come on our shores. I give you Hercules!
Hercules, you are the son of Zeus. Embrace your father and you will discover powers that you never imagined.
Tonight, we fight for our lives!
How do you offer these people their salvation?
When you cannot even save yourself.
Where is your strength now, half-god?